3 months, this is how much dust collected on my ceiling fan. Look how thick that dust is on these filters. That dust would have been in my lungs if I hadn't have had these filters. This is what they look like when they're new. You filter your water, you vacuum your carpet, you empty your lint trap. Why aren't we turning our ceiling fans into an air purifier? These are the Barnacle activated coconut carbon air filters. It just has a little piece of Velcro that sticks up here on your ceiling fan. Then you take the filter and stick it on top of the Velcro. When your ceiling fan starts spinning, it starts trapping all the dust, dander, mold, and other pollutants that are in your air. It's super simple and you only have to change them every 3 months. I'm gonna link these below in case you wanna try them.